In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a file request on Dropbox. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to gather files from others without them needing a Dropbox account. So let's jump right into it. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Dropbox.com. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Login button, which is located at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on it, and a new page will appear asking for your login details. Go ahead and enter your credentials. This could be your business account, personal account, or whichever Dropbox account you wish to manage file requests with today. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on your Dropbox dashboard. Over on the left-hand side of the dashboard, there's a menu. In this menu, find and select the option labeled File Requests. Clicking on this will bring you to the main file request page. This is where the magic happens. On this page, look for a button that says Request Files. It's typically located towards the center of the interface. Click on this button to begin setting up your new file request. Now you're prompted to fill out a couple of fields to describe your request. Begin by entering a title. This could be anything descriptive like project files for March or event photos. The key is to make sure it's something that provides clarity to those you are requesting files from. Following this, you'll find a space for an optional description. While you can skip this, it's helpful to give potential contributors more context. Details like the deadline or the specific type of files you need can be valuable here. Once you've filled out this information, hit the Create button to proceed. The next step is all about sharing your request. Dropbox offers several convenient methods for you to invite others to submit their files. You can enter email addresses directly of the people you're inviting. This is straightforward if you know exactly who will be contributing. Additionally, there's also an option to import contacts, which can save time if you have a larger list of people in mind. Lastly, for ultimate simplicity, Dropbox gives you a link that you can copy. You can then share this link however you see fit, maybe in an email, perhaps through a messaging app, or within a project management tool. It's flexible depending on your specific needs. Once you've selected how you want to share your file request and have sent it out, go ahead and click Done. And with that, you've successfully created and shared a file request on Dropbox. This easy-to-follow process streamlines the collection of digital files, making your collaborative projects run smoother than ever. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your file management a little easier.